I used old onions as seeds to plant and we started preparing them. First, we need to cut off the top of the onion so that when planted, it can sprout easily. With the method of growing onions from bulbs is very easy, and for pots we can take advantage of surrounding objects as long as it can contain soil. After pruning the onion seedlings, we start composting before planting. And today I choose aloe vera as the nutrient to compost onion seedlings. Cut aloe vera into slices, put in blender, add water and blend. Helps release nutrients into water for better absorption of onion. Aloe vera provides nutrients, stimulates root growth, increases resistance to pests, and improves humidity very well. And we can soak onion seedlings in aloe vera water before planting. Helps onions absorb nutrients and resist pests. While the onion seeds are incubating, I prepare the material to plant them. I chose wooden sticks and bamboo to create a simple 3-tier planter system. Because there are a lot of discarded materials around us, we can take advantage of them to grow onions, low cost and effective. When preparing the soil for planting onions, I use organic fertilizer mixed into the soil. Organic fertilizers provide nutrients for plants, make the soil loose and are non-toxic to humans, so I always choose them. With onions, it takes up little land, so we can create a moderate growing system. For the convenience of watering and caring for onions later, I use a very effective automatic watering system. For the 3-tier onion growing system, I chose 3 2-liter plastic bottles and a water tap as a very efficient watering system for each plant. We just need to drill holes for the plastic bottles and connect water pipes to each plant. 2 hours after incubating the onion seeds, I started planting them when I had all the ingredients ready. We plant onions 10 centimeters apart for effective growth. With moderate spacing and planting close to the onion bulb, the onion seedlings will have enough nutrients to grow and develop. After planting, we just need to pour water into the vase. The water will automatically flow to each tree. With automatic watering system, plant erosion when watering will be minimized. After 10 days of planting, the onion seeds have sprouted healthily. Now we need to take care of them. I use organic fertilizer for each plant. Organic fertilizer is environmentally friendly and rich in nutrients. And don't forget to add water to the vase to help the plant have enough stable moisture to grow. After 15 days, I will take care of the plant again, and this time I choose tomato sauce as food. Slice tomatoes and puree in a blender to release nutrients and help plants absorb better. In addition to providing nutrients for plants, tomatoes also help loosen the soil and reduce pests. It's amazing how simple it is to grow. After 20 days, I had a beautiful green onion trellis, and now I can use it in my daily meals. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.